What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Cari Beats back with another POV, as y'all can see, man. Hey, man, make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new, turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me. You know what I'm saying? Get your boy to 15K the quick way, man. Join the Cari crew. You know what I'm saying? We're not too far from 15K, bro. We're less than 200 people away from 15K, man. So y'all boys, if you new right now, you watching this video, man, give your boy a sub, man. Hit that like button, get the video to 100 likes at least, man. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. I just did that. There was a bunch of kids outside playing basketball. But yeah, man. Anyway, man, today what we getting into is just a nice little street, little POV street drive, you know what I'm saying, in a very loud scat pack, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? As y'all know, I got the best sound of scat, you know what I'm saying? So yeah. But yeah, I'm trying to figure out what kind of angle. Look at 12. I'm trying to figure out what kind of angle, you know what I'm saying, I want to hold my camera. I like it like this, but I noticed some people do this now. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I guess try to give you the whole kind of view type beat. But yeah, I don't know, man. Y'all let me know. It's a little dark outside. Well, it's getting dark. So that's why I kind of look a little, what the hell? Oh, I thought that was a car. But you know, it look a little funny. But yeah, man, you know what I'm saying? Nice little POV drive, man. Finna make a little noise. We ain't got that much gas, you feel me? So the video might not be that long, but you know, we're getting that work in, man. I don't know who this is behind me with these bright behind lights. Boy, you need to stop, boy. Tip, bro, just listen, man. Very loud scat pack drive, you know what I mean? I say that for a reason. Yeah, man, y'all see what's going on, man. Y'all finna just hear Olivia talk, you feel me? But yeah, man, I'm finna, y'all, we gotta get to it, man. Trying to get busy, man, on the tool, man. Trying to run it up, man, for real. Like, by summertime, man, we're gonna be, you know what I'm saying, really up there, like, one of them ones. Like, I'm gonna be, you know what I'm saying, up there with the big name soon, you feel me? Even though I'm in the lane by myself, but it's just like, still, you know, it's kind of how it go. Echoes is crazy. But this truck is going, I should have went that way. This truck going so slow. But yeah, man, we gotta get right, bro. You know what I'm saying? Ain't no more, you know what I'm saying? No more time for playing, you feel me? Ain't no more time for that playing, man. But yeah, like, I'm finna, I don't know about like 30 days straight. You know what I'm saying? I do that a lot. It get me somewhere, but it's like, y'all don't, you know what I'm saying? I still gotta learn. I still gotta learn my ways, like, on YouTube, how to get my videos in the algorithm, bro. Like, I be trying to get y'all to like the video. You know what I'm saying? I know y'all not gonna share the video, but at least like the video, bro, and comment, bro. The more, you know what I'm saying? The more activity on the video, the more YouTube gonna rock with it, bro, because they see like y'all rocking with it, you know what I'm saying? Like all of us play a part, bro. That's what y'all don't understand. A lot of folks like to sit back and be like, oh yeah, I'm subscribed, bro, but I ain't gonna watch your video, you know what I'm saying? Or watch this video, get you like, you know what I'm saying? Look like you're doing the eye without me watching it, bro. Every view matter, bro. Every single one of y'all matter, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? Every single one of y'all boys matter, you know what I mean? So y'all boys tap in, man. Boy, tap in for your boy, man. truck in my way, man. You know what I'm saying? A truck pulling the truck, you feel me? So y'all can see it. Truck pulling the truck. Running over the line and everything. But yeah, man, probably not 30 days straight, but I'm gonna try to push out, bro, like within from now. Well, I ain't gonna really say too much, but I'm just gonna try to push out a certain amount of videos, bro, from now until, like, you know what I'm saying, close to the summertime, bro, and see where I can be at, bro. Cause y'all notice, bro, I got a lot of videos on my channel. I got over 500 videos on my channel, bro, and I only have 14K. And there's people on YouTube, bro, that got less than 100 videos, bro, and like 200K subscribers. You know? If y'all see what I'm trying to point out, you know what I'm saying, like, everybody, you know what I'm saying, still kind of different. So if I'm at 500 now, bro, with just 14K, bro, by the time I get to almost 800 videos, bro, at least 700 videos, bro, I should be, you know what I'm saying, at a certain status, you feel me? I should be. I will be, though, because I'm just going to put in that work. You know what I'm saying? I'm really getting this out the mud. I'm not saying nobody not getting this out the mud, but I'm, like, really, like, you know what I'm saying, a regular person, like, just a regular nigga, bro, that like cars. You know what I'm saying? They got blessed to get his dream, one of his dream cars, you feel me? Saying, and get to where I'm at today. I was talking about that to myself yesterday, bro. Like, bro, I never thought I'd see myself doing YouTube, bro, like taking it this far, no cap. Like, before that, don't know, man, like when I was in high school, bro, middle school, you know, you were younger, you really wanted to be something. Everybody wanted to play sports, but I really wanted to play sports, bro. Like, I really wanted to hoop. Like, I really wanted to go to college to hoop. You know what I'm saying? Like, really try to make it far. Or like to the league, bro. I ain't even gotta be no star player, bro. I just want to be in the league. You feel me? Probably get like 10 minutes a game, you feel me? Like making $5 million a year or better, 10 million a year. Like, niggas probably be like, but that ain't nothing. But nigga, you ain't got it, you feel me? Like, but you ain't got $5 million a year, you feel me? Like, you know, niggas find anything to hate on, but you feel me? Like, that's what I want to do, bro. But now, you know what I'm saying? I'm chasing my passion with this, bro. I do love doing YouTube, man. I just want that love back that I'm putting into it, you feel me? Like, which I'm not saying I deserve anything. I'm earning, you know what I'm saying, everything I'm trying to get. But it's just like, you know what I'm saying, man, we're gonna get that car, bro. I'm just venting y'all real quick, just a little, you know what I'm saying, y'all my folk, you feel me? So, you know what I'm saying, I'm getting more personal with y'all, like, well, close to y'all in a way, you know what I'm saying, in a regular way, like, you know what I'm saying, we family, man, Cari crew, man, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, we just driving, bro. So, I ain't mean to nag and not talk y'all head off, but you know what I'm saying? We just driving Olivia. Probably finna bust a little Yui, I ain't gonna lie. Probably finna bust that little Yui right here. I ain't gonna lie. Yes, sir, yes, sir. I heard a little your ass. I heard a little face ass. But yeah, man. Y'all boys just, you know what I'm saying? Like, y'all boys rock with me, man. I know y'all do rock with me. I appreciate everybody that is rocking with me. But like, I'm talking about the people that subscribe, man. I know y'all, some of y'all came from Drifting Every Turn. Some of y'all just came from any of my video period, bro. All that's gonna be a mixture, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, if you like cars, if you like Dodge, if you like a nigga that talk a little smack here and there, you know what I'm saying? I love all bills. You know, I'm talking my talk. You know what I'm saying? Get credit where credit due and where it ain't due. You know what I'm saying? Like, if you like cars, you like POVs, you like, you know what I'm saying? Seeing a little ignorance here and there, you know what I'm saying? I go to car meets, I go to car shows, I get other folks with videos when I get the time. You know what I'm saying? But like, y'all boys tap in, man. Man, you know what I'm saying? Like, y'all boy just, you know what I'm saying? Get your boy right, man. Get your boy right, man. We all in this together. We're all in this together. Every note, yeah, we stand hand to hand. Make our dream come true. Ooh, 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 ooh. feel me? I don't got too much else to say, man. It's a quick little POV, you know what I'm saying? It's a little dark outside, but y'all see we can see enough. Got a little ambient light going on, you know what I'm saying? Setting the vibe. But yeah, man. But yeah, y'all boys just help your boy out, man. I'm trying to get right on this tube, man. We will get right. You know what I'm saying? I will be one of the greats. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna create a legacy for myself, man. But yeah, car crew, man. I'm probably gonna be a little wrap for this video, man. You know, I just want to give y'all a nice little, quick little POV, man. I'm finna start posting a little more consistently. You know what I'm saying? Have a little strategy going on, a little schedule. You know what I am? So, that's what I really was trying to talk to y'all about too, but I kind of got sidetracked. But yeah, man, you know, I'm gonna try to post a certain amount of videos, you know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna say the amount, but a certain amount of videos, you know what I'm saying? It's a big amount too, but a certain amount, man, by the time, you know what I'm saying, summer start rolling in, like before summer, you know what I'm saying? Like May, June, you feel me? So, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna get that right, get that going. You know, we're gonna see where it takes us, bro. We're gonna see what happens, you know what I'm saying? What's the outcome of me dropping this many videos, you know what I'm saying? In this amount of time, and what can it do? Is it gonna positively help my channel or not? You know what I'm saying? Is it gonna be negatively help it? Or is it gonna be, you know what I'm saying, stagnant? It's not gonna really do too much of nothing. But like I'm telling y'all, bro, I'm just a regular dude, you know what I'm saying? Like just trying YouTube, bro, just trying different stuff. I don't got big homie YouTubers that like teaching me the sauce, bro. I don't care what nobody say, bro. There's sauce to everything. Not saying there's like just a cheat method, but there's definitely sauce, bro. You get to a certain point, bro. You know what to put in your title. You know what to put in your tags. You know what to put in your hashtag. You know what thumbnail not to use and what to use. You know what I'm saying? It's all sauce, bro. And I be wanting to ask my, you know what I'm saying, some YouTubers I know they're pretty big. You know what I'm saying? I can ask, but it's just like they ain't gonna really tell you. You know what I'm saying? They're just gonna be like, man, just work. Everybody tell you the same thing. Consistency. Consistency do help, bro, but it don't get you but so far. You can be consistently ass and not go nowhere. Like, that's why y'all gotta break that down, bro. Everybody just stay consistent. Consistent with what? Like, how? Like, what kind of consistency, bro? Anybody can be consistent. You can be consistently ass. You can be consistently stank. You know what I'm saying? You consistently ass, you gonna always be ass. Like, that's what folks gotta understand the difference. Is like, consistent in what? Cause like, I know you talking about posting, but like, nigga, it's more to it than that. You know what I'm saying? Not just posting. That's just like a nigga being like, oh, cuz, you know what I'm saying? You'll be strong, you'll be big or strong one day. You keep going to the gym, but a nigga go to the gym and do bare minimum, nothing. You know what I'm saying? He ain't even sweating for real. Cuz just going. You're like, I'm going there every day though. I'm touching these weights a little bit. Like, nah, nigga, you gotta do this a certain way to get that. You know what I'm saying? Consistently. You feel me? Like, you know what I'm saying, man? There's a lot to it, bro. But you know, it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna figure it out, man. With God help. You know what I'm saying? On my side, man. The Lord gonna help me. You know what I'm saying, lead me to the right direction, man, when it's his time, you know what I'm saying? So I'm just patiently waiting, man, for my chance, bro, my turn, you know what I'm saying? So y'all boys just keep rocking with your boy, man. You know what I'm saying? I know the POV wasn't that entertaining, but you know what I'm saying, we staying consistent and we posting these videos and I'm tapping in with y'all boys every other day, you know what I'm saying? So y'all boys just, you know what I'm saying, I appreciate all the love for all the people that do watch my videos now. The couple of hundred of y'all that watch my videos, and y'all that's not subscribed, I appreciate y'all too, but subscribe, man. Like, why y'all not subscribing, bro? Like, come on, man. Y'all boys subscribe for your boy, man. Like, man. Get your boy right, man. But anyway, man, nevertheless, I ain't gonna keep talking y'all head. I said the video won't be that long, but the video long anyway. Yeah, man, like I said, now the end of my video, you got a goal you're trying to achieve, any kind of accolade, any kind of milestone, do that goal, man. Sky's the limit, and you can touch a car crew. For all my religious folk, keep God first, keep him in the mix. You know what I'm saying? Y'all stay prayed up, man. Keep him first in everything you do, man. Stay humble. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, like I also said at the end of my video, man, I'm out of here like yesterday.